Hi guys, Richard at Orange Campers, and in this video I'm going to show you the latest van to come off production, a high top medium wheelbase in iron grey. Is it iron grey? Yes it is. You know me and my colours, I'll never get them right. Iron grey, medium wheelbase, beautiful van as always, new series 2, lovely van. So many extras, it's hard to list, but if you've seen our videos before you know it's got so many things. Side parking sensors, rear, front, back. Electric folding mirrors, lane assist, cruise control, sat nav already built in, lots and lots of extras, lane assist. Really are a beautiful van to drive. Now if we open up and take a look inside, this one's got a manual step, you just pull it out, so you've no worries about it ever letting you down or failing, if that's one of your worries. You can have the electric version as well. And let me try and guess the material. Is it Hove Grey, this one? It's either silver or grey. I think it's a bit darker. I think the silver, it could be silver, but it's certainly Hove. And its accent colour in this van is Fjord Green. I know that because Jessie's just told me. Which is a lovely colour. It's a nice flat colour. Instead of being the gloss one we've seen before, this customer's chose a flat colour, and it goes really well with a cashmere grey as well. Lovely colour as always, and as you can see inside, beautiful light as always in our vans, really nice and light and airy, and lots of space as always. This customer's gone for a microwave, so we've got a microwave in here. You can have the gas oven if you prefer, and as always, if you've not seen our videos, proper size hobs and a good size sink where you can get a washing up bowl in there, so that's really usable as well. You've got hot water on this one, so you've got a Webasto Thermo top heater, 2 outlets, one at the front, one at the back, and that does your air heating and your water as well. Beautiful 90 litre fridge there, look, comes all the way around. Good freezer compartment, very, very usable fridge. I like the high level ones. And the cupboard space in these Trouvailles, look at that, massive great cupboard. If it just pans around there, there's cupboards everywhere in this van. And nice big wardrobes all shelved as well. And then as we look down, there's a cupboard under the fridge as well. Big cupboard under the fridge. You've got your pull out drawers, lots and lots of storage, bin where it needs to be in the kitchen area, and you've got pull out drawers as well, all matching colours in there. The splashback, I do like this colour, it's very nice. And as always, really nice big kitchen cupboards, very strong as well. As you know with us, you can't do that in some vans, but we build everything to last. The storage rack on the worktop as well, so useful. Little things make a great big difference in a van, especially a small van like this. Don't forget we're only 5.4 metres long, so because we've just been setting a sat nav up with all the dimensions, and it works amazing. Our vehicles, some rely on just Android Auto or iPlayer Connect and so on, but we have a physical sat nav in there, all European maps, and it really works ever so well. This customer's got the automatic version. If you look in the cab there, what a beautiful way to drive these vans, the automatic. Big 10-inch screen, so many gadgets on there, it's unbelievable. And the rear view mirror's nice now, so you've got the digital rear view mirror. You can have it as normal mirror, but it does have a camera setting in there. You just press a button and it works from the back doors, so you don't have to look through your van. Another beautiful extra on this van, if I move this chair back a bit, is the Remis cab blinds. So you've got the Remis cab blinds. How quick is that when you're setting up at night time? And all the other windows, every window opens, and you've got fly nets and blinds on each window. Lovely option. And as always, we've got our little pop-up table, lots of power sockets, more cupboards and space. And the bathroom area is such a good thing in these vans. Open the door, we've got a beautiful bathroom light switch on there as well. You've got your toilet, electric flush toilet which plumbs into your water system, so you don't have to even think about that. It just works everything off its own system. A nice little drop down shelf there. You can use that for getting ready. You can sit there, you can take the weight off your feet, things like that. So that's such a usable thing in our vans, and that's the beauty, you know, we use our vans, as you know. We've just come back from a show this weekend, and so many nice people, you know, they really do notice the finer detail we put in our vans, which is really nice. and very flattering to us. And we can look at the back doors, great bit of space there. Don't forget our vans, we get the 270 doors, opening doors, and they fold back on the van, which makes a big difference. Opens all the back end up. We've got the utility storage at the back. This one's got a Fiamma awning on the side. If you notice when we first walked in, the big rail, the big winding handles fastened at the back, and that's where your chocks go, your camping chairs. There's so many useful areas in this van, make it feel a bigger van. We've got the big roof lights at the front there. Look how much light and air that really puts in. That's a 500 by 700 roof vent, and it's got a blind and a fly screen on there as well. Keep the insects from coming in. And we've got a smaller version, the 400 by 400 at the back as well. So we've got another version there. So again, so usable. Like so much fresh air in, lots of light just pours in the vehicle. Now we have got a couple of build slots. We've got 2 build slots available for 2025 still. I think just before Christmas we've got those available, and then we're into next year. So if you're looking for a medium wheelbase, then we have got vans sat in the country ready to be built, and you can choose one of those. After that, it's into early next year, 2026, and we have got another batch coming in February. So if you're looking for an automatic or a manual, drop us a line or give us a call. Come and see us at our workshop. We have open days where you're welcome to come and see us and have a chat to existing customers. That's always the best thing, and speak to people out of our members group as well. So that's always nice. You can check all those details on our website. All the show dates are on there as well, along with the open dates. So don't forget to follow us on social media and subscribe to our videos, and we'll show you more of these vans as they come off production. We've got a few little surprises for 2026, some new things coming out, so stay tuned and we'll keep you updated on those as well.